Learn English. Hello, everybody. Here are the two words for today. Number one is a person that you like. Correct. Number two, I will. Happy tomorrow. Yes, that's right. Number one, please listen and write this in your notebook. Jennifer has many friends. Jennifer has many friends. Friends. Friends are people that Jennifer likes to spend time with. Now we can make a flashcard for friends. This word is very difficult to spell. I remember it this way, E-N-D at the end of the word. Please make a card like this. Write friend up here in the top left corner, F-R-I-E-N-D. Down here in the bottom left corner, P-E-O 1. This means people, level 1. And over here the number 18 out of 78. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Friend. Number two, please listen and write this in your notebook. Bob will be happy tomorrow. Bob will be happy tomorrow. B. Bob will be happy tomorrow. We don't know why. Bob is happy now. He was happy yesterday. Now we can make a flashcard for B. Please make a card like this. Write B up here in the top left corner. For example, I will be happy tomorrow. The code is GW1. This means grammar word level 1. And the number 22 out of 135. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. B. Game over. You did very well today. Jennifer is my friend. Correct. And I will be happy tomorrow. I am happy now. I was happy yesterday. And if you're high level, here are the level 2 words. People drink iced tea with a straw with an A. Correct. Number 2, the toilet is broken. It is clogged. And a pound we use in America for weight. Bob weighs 200 pounds. Today is Wednesday, July 16th. If you are new, welcome. This is a complete 2-year course Our schedule is rotating, so you can join anytime. Please write your language on the other side of the card. How do you say friend in your language? Correct. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.